Hey guys, today we talk about how can you select, how can view the saved photos on your Vcap, or you go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go up of your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go up of this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list here and you click here on privacy here. So when you click here on privacy, it's going to take you to next step here, just switching to open video. So then you click here on how can view the saved photos album, just click on it. So when you just click on it here, can you select if you want to add all users or friends to friends, or here or friends, or only you on creating friends. Here can you select. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,